Quality control is a critical activity in many manufacturing industries. In some factories, the amount of work required for the visual inspection of products can be substantial. To address this challenge, we at A-Look Analytics have developed an AI-based automatic quality control engine using state-of-the-art techniques. The engine analyzes images of products and distinguishes defective parts from compliant parts. Our solution reduces the need for human workers and increases the probability that every defect will be detected. Get in touch with us, be the early adopter, and leverage the advantage that AI offers to your business.